So guys, mang-istorbo tayo habang mayroong nasasaktan dito. Ah, sir, pwede ka bang ma-interview?
Yes, kuya.
Pwede ba kitang ma-interview kahit yung mga simpleng question lang. Bali, 6 lang to. Una-una, ano pangalan niyo, sir?
Ezekiel. Pogi.
Taga saan ka, sir?
Dito sa Dasma lang.
First question ko sa'yo, sir. Bakit ka nagsimulang mag-gym or mag-workout?
Ah, nung una, mag-gym? Start.
Bakit ka nagsimulang mag-workout?
Kasi nung 2022, pupunta lang dapat ako ng Boracay. Kaya nag-start ako mag-gym para pagdating ko ng Boracay, medyo maganda yung physics ko nun. Oh. Wala. Nagtuloy-tuloy. Nagustuhan ko na.
Lakad ka muna bago yung second question natin. Second question, sir. Okay ka lang, sir?
Okay lang.
Anong benefit sa'yo ng pag-gym?
Ngayon kasi, pag ini-start ko yung araw ko ng nag-workout, so yun, mas maganda yung energy ko pag iba yung energy ko pag nag-start ako ng workout. Oo. Tsaka, yan, you hear up. Pag sinimulan ko yung umaga ko ng nag-workout, pati utak ko hanggang maghapon, gumagana. So, parang lang, relax lang yung katawan mo. Sobrang cleared. Utak mo! Yeah. Ganun lang.
Mag-relax talaga kapag
Sobrang relax pag gano'n.
Lakad ka muna, sir.
Yeah, questioning me.
Third question, sir. Ito, third question to. Ito Ito yung pinaka, kumbaga, sentro ng tanong kapag papasok ka sa fitness industry. Anong pinaka-goal mo dito sa fitness industry? Pinaka-goal mo?
Goal ko?
Maliban sa maging fit, healthy.
Para pag naka-build ka kasi ng muscle, it's for longevity. Longevity nung katawan. So, it's alright, man. Yeah, it's a podcast. Pag naka-build ka ng marami, napanood ko lang din naman sa podcast. Pag naka-build ka daw ng sobrang laking muscle mass mo, mas longer ka na makakapag Like kunyari, pag 60 years old na ako,
Mas mataas yung buhay.
mas mataas yung longevity ng buhay. Ayun, kunyari, magkapunga ako, tapos 60 years old ako, marami.
Yun lang yung pinaka-goal mo. Ayaw mo ayaw mo yung mga, ang goal kasi ng iba, mag-compete.
Naisipan ko rin naman mag-compete kasi, wait.
So pinag-isipan mo bang mag-compete? Fourth question, sir. Bakit kailangan ng mga tao or ang mga kabataan especially magsimula mag-workout or pumunta ng gym?
Gym? Siguro kasi hindi lang siya pang physical health eh. Damay pati mental health mo eh. Kasi mas clearing nga yung utak. Sa akin lang mas clearing utak ko pag nakapag-gym ako eh. Parang
Kasi halos, para sa akin kasi, personally lang para sa akin nakakatuwa kasi yung makikita ka ng mga kabataan na nag-a-addict dito sa gym, no? Kisa makikita mo sa ibang, baga, marami naman tayong nakikita na ikita mo sa daan pag mga bandang hapon na nagiinuman na bata pa. Na lulong na agad sa paninigarilyo. Kumbaga dumaan din naman ako sa bisyo ng paninigarilyo pero mas maganda talaga yung bata pa lang.
Bata pa lang. Ayun, kasi yun nga, yung sa physical health, mental health. Wait lang kuya.
Sir, last question. Last question. Ito yung para sa akin, pinaka-importanting question about fitness industry. Ano mapapayo mo sa mga nagbabalak pa lang mag-gym o sa mga start pa lang o kaka-start lang dito sa fitness industry?
Like that. Huwag nyo nang pag-isipan. Pumunta na kayo agad sa gym. Kasi yung iba, kaya ayaw pumunta ng gym, na-intimidate daw sila sa mga nagbubuhat. o mga malalaking tao. Pero pag na-approach nyo naman yung mga, yan, katulad ni Kerry, nung una, na-intimidate ako sa kanya kasi ang laki ng katawan eh. Pero simula nung nakausap ko si Kerry, ayun, tuloy-tuloy na.
Huwag silang mailang pag may nakita silang malaki kasi lahat ng malalaki sa gym, ang simula yun sa maliit. Huwag kayong mahiyang,
Malay nyo, in next few years, 5 years, kasing laki ko na rin si Kerry.
saka hindi lang, diretso to. Diretso to si Ken. Yun nga, huwag lang sila mahiya, no?
Oo, yun.
Jake,
Basta, just start.
don't be shy if you want to, if you wanted to start, go to the gym.
Yeah.
Number one thing is invite people.
Yeah.
You can build friendship, you can build
Yeah,
expansion of
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
Change your life.
Like us.
It's a life-changing experience when you start
Here's John.
going to the
Big
Ah,
John.
So yun nga, no? Kailangan, tuloy mo lang.
Oo, huwag nyo nang pag-isipan. Tuloy nyo lang. Kasi, ang magbe-benefits din naman sa pag-workout tayo in the long run.
Yun yung pinakamaganda.
Oo.
Dalawang run, no?
Long run
Builds
naman eh.
confidence.
Yeah, confidence,
You
feel better, you look
You live
better.
longer.
Yeah. You live longer. Yun. Kaya lahat,
A lot of chicks.
a lot of chicks, man. Sige, a lot of
This
chicks.
guy right here, 6'2". He's
Ah,
bigger than me. No one would coach him. He's a nice guy. He's in IT. No one would coach that man. I didn't charge him nothing. I worked with him for like 6 months. Then COVID locked down. He never come back. But
Until now.
Until
he
now?
never come back. He's shared room with his dad. He was very humble. He didn't have much money. His shoe was falling apart, but I trained for him. Every day he'd come in and sweat his ass off. Always, he worked. He was making progress and COVID come. He never come back.
Ayun. Isa pa, kasi pag nakakita ka ng progress ng nasa gym, ma-addict ka.
No. What's the,
Ma-addict ang ano.
kasi first
So
weeks,
addicting when you
no?
see a progress in your body.
Well, true, but
Yeah.
even when you get discouraged, like we as a group of dudes,
Mm.
he gets discouraged sometimes. He says, "Man, I'm not feeling quite right." I said, "Come on,
Yeah,
motherfucker."
man.
I stab him.
The,
He's like,
the
"Hey,
gym
man."
community is so uplifting. Gym community. Kaya yung iba, if you're scared to go to the gym, just do it. Don't think. Don't think. Oh, just start
Go with a
going to
friend.
the gym.
Invite a friend.
Invite a friend kung natatakot ka mag-isa. Mga tao naman sa gym mababait eh.
Tsaka napapansin ko sa iba, kapag first week nila walang progress, stop.
Oo. Ayun pa.
First week, no progress.
First week, no progress.
I offer something. Something works for me. Pick what the person does. Job, student, job like engineer,
Yeah.
architect, whatever. Apply their job to the training. If they're having problem with figuring out how to train, what do you do in your job?
Yeah.
They're,
Yeah.
they're like, damn, that makes sense. It clicks.
Yeah.
It's honest to you. Me, anyone. If they say they're a grandmaster, I have no respect for them.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
they're always learning.
Yeah.
There is no grandmaster.
Yeah.
Because even the new guy can do something about, wow, that's something new.
Mm.
It could be shit, or it could be good.
Yeah.
So to say, everyone's been, no,
Mm.
because right now your place is Kinetic. They're doing classes. I think they're like 4,000 a month for teaching powerlifting. 4,000 a month, man. Not 250, 350, 4,000 per month to go to the class, be told how to do the training.
Yeah.
But those guys, 25, 30 years experience, so I can argue that.
Yeah.
But still, 4,000 is pretty heavy.
Yeah.
That's to command 4K. That's 4K to you to learn how to lift weights. Wow! Grabe.
You can you can teach for free. But the experience kasi when you
Confidence, self-confidence.
Yeah.
You get the guy to lift
build
50 kilos.
self-confidence, you master delayed gratification, it builds your consistency. Yun.
What happens here, success translates other places.
Yeah.
It translates so much in the personal life,
Personal life to your business or
discipline to lift the weight on a regular basis. You get to work on time. You do this better. You
yeah.
better sex.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
better this. You have
Number
big
one.
strength.
That's number one.
That's number one. Better
Whatever
sex.
you need. I have to big balls. I have to
Yeah.
lift one at a time, you know.
Lifting heavy weights, boost your testosterone.
I have to lift one ball at a time. kind of heavy. They're like 25 kilo each.
That's too heavy, man.
Oh, they're,
Mine is just like 1 pound only.
don't never discount yourself.
Yeah.
Never discount. Bragging, no. But discount, don't. This guy always, I don't know. Why? He's Razor Rick in my mind. Razor Rick. He's always
Right.
trying to make the pose. So, Razor Rick.
Oh.
Never discount, man.
Wala makitang progress agad, wag ma-discourage kasi hindi naman agad-agad makikita mo yung ano eh.
Oh,
Kasi ang pinagbabasihan lang nila yung progress lang sa katawan.
Wow.
Isa kasi yung makikita kong progress. Halimbawa, ngayon nakapag-lift ka ng 20 kilos. Next week, maka 25 ka progress na yun.
Progress na yun. Tsaka hindi nabibuild yung success ng isang araw.
Kung baga last week, yung performance mo, 30 minutes lang, pagod ka na. Pag next week, naka 45 minutes ka.
45 minutes.
Tapos yun.
organizations that everyone's different. I can't expect you to lift what I can lift, or him to do what I can do, or me to do what. Wala. Unless you're training, eating same, and you were born from the same cell, and then expect same, identical.
Yeah.
If it's different people, different culture, yeah. Watch this. This is crazy. You're an engineer.
I'm not.
It's just
I'm
his
not.
side
I'm,
It's hobby.
no.
It's his hobby. Yeah.
So me, I was born
Chicken
just a
pasta.
simple guy, but I did construction. I've done military business. Now, the hard labor I've done in my life, maybe you never did.
Yeah.
We never did.
Yeah.
So my base of core is different.
Mm.
I learned to work a 12-hour day and do this. That other guy only did 4 hours labor and he died.
Complaints.
So he has no stamina, no
Yeah.
endurance build.
Yeah.
So if you go to the gym, that guy no stamina versus the guy training for 25 years, hardcore, man, even steroid, he can never catch up because he has no foundation built.
Yeah.
His foundation is
number one
not-
talaga.
Number one, foundation.
no foundation.
Yeah.
But if you build the foundation side by side, that guy did 100, that guy did 100, that guy ate 25 kilo protein. This one did this one did then they. That's where the powerlifting is beautiful. Those guys that train similar, 60 kilo pulling 190, 220 kilo off the ground. Grand champion.
Basic.
Oh,
Easy lightweight.
thank you, Mr. Rick.
Thank you, man.
I can see
I
that's
just go to
becoming the
sleep.
podcast of Dosma, the Dosma podcast.
We can
We can do podcast here.
You know, everyone's-
Thank you sa Thank you sa
Ah,
Thanks, man.
Salamat tayo, man.
We learned a lot.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh,